Hello, this video is about new type of submission that is specifically tailored for those who do YouTube promotions. Before we go into demonstration how to set it up, so let's go into and see the difference between using shared networks and your own networks. The obvious advantage of shared networks, you don't need to have your own blogs. So you literally can create an account and create a project and start posting your YouTube videos. RankWyz manages 20 plus niche networks, business, home, travel, etc. And each network has at any point 10,000 blogs. It's a large amount of blogs to guarantee that every time your YouTube video will be posted on a new and unique blog. Another advantage is user cannot post their own content. In this respect, it is an advantage because you can be sure that your content will be posted along with other niche relevant content. So it is in such a way that niche relevance is enforced. On the other hand, when you use your own network, the advantage is that you have highly grained control about blocks and authority. So you are in a position to decide at what moment you post your content. When it's ready to start posting your content, you probably will spend time warming it up and building authority. You can post highly relevant content. Opposite the generic niche content, you can target tailor it to the very highly relevancy toward the topic you're promoting. And with a careful approach, without a doubt, survival rate is much higher when you use your own network opposite to shared network, where we continue posting to the blog and you can decide at what point you stop posting, and this is a better strategy, especially if it is a high level tier, like might be even tier 1, that you will be using to directly link into your accounts or your client accounts. And now we're going to set up a YouTube submission and start posting video. You can create new project. You can select any project. You don't need to have any networks. So let's say I have a demo project. So it's literally a brand new project. I had nothing in. So you go to submissions tab and you can see new type of submission that's called YouTube submission. So we click on submission. We'll give it a name. Let's call it YouTube. So we're going to post on a shared network. We'll select the network. Let's say it's home and family in my case. You select the content bucket, and this is basically the different type of content within the blog network. Home and family, let's say in my case it will be home improvement. So now the settings is how many times you want each video to be posted. Let's say, of course, in the real case scenario, so you probably will put it like in a high number, might be 50 or 100 times. Let's say I will do 10. And you have an option to either post all videos immediately, all spread posts within a number of hours or even days. So let's say in my case, I have 10 videos to be posted immediately, and I create a submission. Submission is the general settings that could be overridden for every URL. So you can see that I created submission, but I has not set up any URLs. So now when I go to URL tabs, YouTube URLs, this is where I can upload YouTubes, and you don't need to create new submission for every YouTube URL as long as that settings would be in the same as you set up for submission. And in this case, like if you do the same home improvements, you can post video after video once you have something new to promote. Let me grab a video. So I go to YouTube and find the video I want to call, and I copy URL of the video and go back to the screen, and I said, so there's add YouTube URL. So I'm adding URLs. You can add one, you can add multiple, and again it will be posted as per a submission configuration. So we said 10 times. Although you have an option to override it for specific URL. So if you want, you can change it. By default it is as a submission. configuration, but you can change it for more. If you say this particular one I want to post 100 times, you can change it. So this, as simple as I said, you can post one or multiple video URLs, and I click submit. You can see that one URL scheduled to be added. I refresh, and there we go. So I already have YouTube video, and this, it is configured to be posted 10 times. Not on configure, it is created post. It's already created 10 posts. I go to posts. There we go. So it's created 10 posts, and the status is ready. You can see that there's no content yet, so the system will be working to assign the content and embed the video. So I'll pause the video, and we'll continue as when we have content available, and system will start posting. So now we have 2 articles already created. Let's see how it look. So this is a very generic home improvement article, and there's a YouTube video embedded, exactly the one we specified to be promoted. And again, it will be embedded random, and you can see this is home improvement article, so it's very relevant to the content I'm going to promote. The specific of YouTube submission is that you don't need to specify that what kind of blocks you will be posted in. The submission already select only blocks. The submission will be selecting only blocks that from the platform that have embedded YouTube support. So let's say if you use your own networks and you have, let's say, 200, 300 of blocks, you don't need to pre-select which one you to post, and therefore the success rate will be much higher, like very high with the post in YouTube, because you don't need to pre-select which one to what block platform to select or what. So let's go back to the posts. And let's say I'll just click to post it manual. At this moment, you can see that out of 10, 2 posts are successful. So we're not going to wait until all of them successful. You can see the status of posting. System will pick another block if the post was unsuccessful. So you're not going to be charged for the unsuccessful post, and the success rate and the total count will be based on the submitted URLs. And you can see that 2 are submitted, and let's go see the, here is the URL. So this is the post and the video. And another post, again, it's all the home improvement niche, and the video is posted. So should you need to post like 10 times your video, or 100 or even 500 times, that will be very easy, and you don't need to have your own blogs, as I said, if in this case of using shared networks.